Good morning, students. Today we are going to know about the another important component of the map, that is symbols. All of you must observe the page number 32 in your 6th class social studies. The page number 32. Okay? Right. Symbols. It is the third important component of a map. It is the third important component of a map. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines, or a will. So, they are shown by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of these symbols, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Even if you don't know the language of an area, without asking someone for directions, you can come to know the information from maps with the help of symbols. Why symbols are used in the maps? Why symbols are used in the maps? With the use of the symbols, maps can be drawn easily. With the symbols, maps are simple to read. Symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. Even if we don't know the language of an area, we can know the information from maps with the help of symbols. Okay, children, you understand? How do symbols give us information? You must observe here. Think and respond. How do symbols give us information? With the help of symbols, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read also. It is not possible to draw a map in the actual shape and size with different features such as buildings, rivers, bridges, trees, and railway lines, etc. So, they are shown by using certain colors, letters, shades, pictures, and lines. You must observe the symbols here. Symbols. Figure 3.9, map symbols. Map symbols. You must observe carefully. This is the symbol of broad gauge railway line. This is a symbol of broad gauge railway line. Next, this is a symbol of Kacha road. This symbol belongs to Kacha road. And these parallel lines, you must observe here these parallel lines. This is a symbol of Pakka road. Pakka road. This is broad gauge railway, and this symbol belongs to Kacha road, and this symbol belongs to Pakka road. Next one, the trees also there. This symbol, trees. Next, houses. Houses. This is a symbol of house. This heart's symbol of house. House. Next, the river symbol here. The river symbol here. The river. This symbol of river. And next one, this is a symbol of masjid or mosque. Masjid or mosque. This is a symbol of masjid or mosque. Next one, this is a symbol of church. This is a symbol of church. And next one, this is a symbol of temple. This is a symbol of temple. This is a symbol of masjid or mosque. This is a symbol of church. This is a symbol of temple. And this is a symbol of school. Yes, you must observe. This is the symbol of school. Here, school. And what is PS? PS. It is also symbol. PS means police station. PS means police station. RS means railway station. PO post office. These letters PS means police station, RS the symbol of railway station, and PO the symbol of post office. Okay children, you understand? You must observe this carefully. Do you know? Do you know? Map makers are called cartographers. Map makers are called cartographers. Book of maps is called an atlas. Book of maps is called an atlas. Map makers are called cartographers. Book of maps is called an atlas. Okay children, you understand? You must observe this picture, figure 3.10. 3.10, a village map with symbols. A village map with symbols. You must observe this picture carefully. Yes, a village map with symbols. There are so many symbols here in this picture. You must observe Bondapalli. Bondapalli village is there. The houses also there. The masjid, the trees, and PO, police station. Sorry, post office. PO means post office. You must observe Bondapalli village, the houses, the symbol of houses and trees, and this is the symbol of masjid, mosque, and PO means post office, the symbol of post office. And what is the symbol of this? This is the symbol of, yes, broad gauge railway symbol, broad gauge railway line symbol. This is the symbol of broad gauge railway line. Yes, sir, here sir, what is the RS? RS, the symbol of railway station. Yes, RS means railway station. PO means post office. RS, railway station. And here also the broad gauge railway line symbol also there. Okay. What is here the symbol of trees. And what is this? This is a symbol of pond. You know pond? This is symbol of pond. Okay. Next, you must observe Ramapuram village here. The Ramapuram village. Yes, Ramapuram. The symbol of houses here. And what is the symbol of this? Yes, this is a temple. Yes, temple. This is symbol of temple. And here the school, symbol of school. And what is PS? Yes, PS means police station. PS means police station. And here you must observe the village name Krishnapuram. Krishnapuram. This symbol. This is the Bondapalli village. This is Ramapuram village. And this is Krishnapuram village. You must observe in this Krishnapuram village the houses, symbols of houses. Okay. Here also the temple symbol, and here also small temple, here also symbol, and tree symbols also there. Okay. Yes, you must observe this symbol. What is the symbol of this? The dots here, the symbol of Kacha road. This is a symbol of Kacha road. Here and here also Kacha road. This symbol of Kacha road. And this is, you must observe, this is Pakka road. This is symbol of Pakka road. Here also Pakka road. Symbol of Pakka road here. And here also Kacha road. Yes, here the tree symbol. Trees. And here you must observe this is a symbol of church. Yes, church. Yes, here you must observe this is a symbol of a river. River. In this picture, the Bondapalli village, Ramapuram village, and Krishnapuram village a village map with symbols here. You must observe there are so many symbols are there. You must observe the Bondapalli village, the houses symbol, houses also there. This is a mosque, masjid, PO, post office, the tree symbol, trees also there in Bondapalli village. The broad gauge line here, the broad gauge line, and this is Pakka road, and this is also broad gauge line. This is a symbol of pond, pond also there here. And in Ramapuram village, the houses, temple, school, and PS between this, yes, the Ramapuram and Krishnapuram village also there. Here the PS means police station symbol also there, police station. This is a symbol of school, temple, houses, here also temple and small temple also there. This is Pakka road, this one also Pakka road. Kacha road also there, this symbol Kacha road, Kacha road. And here the symbol church, church symbol, church, here the church, the trees. Okay, yes, the river also there, the river flowing here, the river. Okay, what is the scale of this map? Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. The scale of this map, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay children, you understand? Thank you very much.